Find the decimal expansion of 25 over 9 without using long division. So we're going to start by figuring out which two whole numbers 25 over 9 is in between. If we do 9 times 2, that gets us 18. Then we need 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, which gives us 7 extra pieces. So the whole numbers that it's between is 2 and 3. So we're going to start with 2. Then we're going to work into our decimals. If we take out the 2, we're left with 7/9. And we need to figure out which 2/10 7/9 is between. We're using consecutive numbers, m and n plus 1. To get rid of that denominator, we multiply everything by 10. Even the middle. 10s divide out. We have m is less than 70 over 9, which is less than m plus 1. 70 over 9. How many 9s go into 70? 7 with 7 left over. So it's in between 7 and 8, which means our 10th place is going to be a 7. We use the one that's on the left. Now we're going to remove the 7/10 from our 7/9. So 7/9 minus the 10th that we just found, and we're going to find the 100th place. To find common denominators, we're going to turn these into 90s. So this one's going to be 70 over 90, and this one's going to be multiplied by 9 to get 90. 7 times 9 is 63. When you subtract 70 and 63, you get 7 over 90. It's a big problem. It's going to take up a lot of space. You might not have enough room in your workbook page. Multiply everything by 100. All 3 sections. Hundreds divide out. This we can divide out of 10. And now we have 70 over 9. But notice, that's what I had way up here. So we're again between 7 and 9, or 7 and 8, which means the next decimal is going to be a 7. Do you notice a pattern? It's just going to be 2.7 repeating. The decimal expansion of 25 over 9 is 2.7 repeating.